Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be swatching and reviewing the Urban Decay Born to Run palette. This I believe is a permanent palette and it's available now in all Urban Decay retailers. This palette was released early last month and I'll go ahead and link it down below in all the places that you could actually find it for those that are interested. The packaging of this palette is a hard plastic, it has a magnetic closure and it has a huge good quality mirror, and I feel this is the reason why the palette feels heavy. The outside packaging has a travel theme. To me it looks like popular vacation places. So the palette has a total of 21 shades and it retails for $49. It has a mixture of neutrals and pop-up colors. The finishes are mattes, metallics, and shimmers. I feel that this palette has a good mixture of your mattes and shimmers. In my opinion, you could travel with just this palette and do complete looks without having to reach for another palette. So when I did my swatches, I noticed that 19 shades out of the 21 performed really good. Not only did they swatch nice, but also perform good when using a brush to apply them. The mattes have a velvet feel to them and blended smoothly, and I noticed very little kick up. The metallics and shimmers are pretty pigmented and creamy. Those I would recommend applying them with your finger or a synthetic brush. For the two shades that lack pigment were Hell Ride and Wild Heart. To be honest, I was not surprised because I usually run across this issue with a lot of cranberry shades like these. Hell Ride was a bit chalky, but once you start to blend it in, it's buildable. And for Wild Heart, I would recommend applying this with a finger application and applying more than one layer to get a full opaque finish, and using a wet synthetic brush for a better payoff. So overall, I really like this palette and I'm glad I decided to pick it up. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think and I'll see you guys very soon on my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.